Hey everyone, Storm Show meteorologist Jason Myers here. Wednesday, July 30th, and yesterday, what a quiet, severe weather day. I'm talking as far as severe thunderstorms go. We hardly saw any hail, strong winds, no tornadoes whatsoever. All in all, not a bad day. The downside was the amount of rain and flooding we saw across Colorado. Even parts of Wyoming saw a lot of rain. But the severe weather, look at this, barely minimal. 5 wind reports across the entire country, 4 reports of hail. And it looks like they were very, very scattered. The highest concentration is 4 different reports in eastern Wyoming, so not much there. Our severe weather threat today is a small threat for an isolated storm or two across the Midwest, working its way into the Northeast. The southern half of Florida could see some thunderstorm activity, and it looks like out west we're looking at the possibility for severe thunderstorm activity, but I think our bullseye is Oklahoma and Texas. This is the same system that moved through Colorado and Wyoming yesterday, and it still has a lot of juice, so expect more flooding today. Just it's moving slightly, and it's in Oklahoma and in Texas. There's also a possibility for an isolated threat of some strong winds, possibly some hail, and even a small risk for a tornado, 2% or less for a tornado threat. But like I said, these rain showers, they're not moving very quickly. The potential for flooding is high. In fact, the water vapor imagery, look at these shades of orange and yellow. That means we have a lot of moisture with these storms, and they're going to continue to fall over this part of the country. The forecast models have these storms barely moving at all. In fact, we can take you through time here. Here we are this morning, and watch how slowly these storms move. They barely make any progress throughout the entire day. Here we are all the way into the evening hours, and those storms barely shift to the east, still looking at some heavy rain in north central Oklahoma right there. As for the other parts of the country, very scattered activity in the Midwest and the Northeast. The southern half of Florida, very scattered thunderstorm activity and a few thunderstorms along the Rocky Mountain range. Really, again, that bullseye is across Oklahoma and northern Texas, the Texas Panhandle possibly as well. And all in all, even though it is flooding, it's not all bad because we could use rain in this part of the country. Zooming out again, that's really our severe weather threat for today. Let's talk about something else real quick. How about the potential for not severe weather, but a hurricane out in the Atlantic right now? We got to change the how things look, and heading all the way out into the Atlantic, and we have this it's just a disturbance right now, but it is gaining steam. It is becoming more organized. It's a little more than 1,000 miles away from the Windward Islands. In fact, we can check out a potential track for it as it continues to develop over these next couple of days. I think it could become a depression later today, and then, or at the latest tomorrow, and then it could even become a tropical storm by the end of the week and into the weekend. Right here, the National Hurricane Center gives it a 70% chance to become a tropical system here in the next 48 hours. And you'll notice it's just slowly meandering to the west. It's moving at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. All in all, not that fast. And overall, today, any severe weather threat, whether it's hurricanes, severe thunderstorms, minimal for the United States, though you are going to get very, very, very wet in Oklahoma and Texas. Be safe today. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.